yung hamon mo, magpakita ako kung hindi tiduwa. Para po rin sinabi ang bawat senator, ikaw, maging independent ka o hindi, duwag ka. This is not a radio or TV program. This is not entertainment. This is the Senate of the Philippines. So we have to be more professional. Kung hindi ka lang Tulfo at kung hindi lang Tulfo si kapatid mong si Erwin, sinumbong ko lang kayo kay Tulfo Diba? Pero ang reality is, because nandiyan kayo, because you have a strong voice, use it for the good of the country. There are also issues facing you. So you ask Joel Villanueva, you ask Jingo Estrada, you ask Chis Escudero to face it squarely. So face the issues also squarely. Huwag yung itigilan natin yung Blue Ribbon na committee and then gagawin natin personal yung lahat ng issues. There are issues facing all of us. Pati ba naman Senator Tulfo, lahat na nung pinapay, binintan nyo sa amin. Nung panahon ni President Duterte, kampi kayo sa drug war. Ngayon naman, balikta. Tapos lahat ng pinatay, sinisin nyo. So, pati ba naman internet at saka airphone, sa akin nyo pa rin sinisik. O baka murder pa yung kaso na yan, Murder kasi pinatay ang wifi at yung kuryente.